Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping at the river when me ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica.
Hello people. So today is that day, the Raffle draw day, which is celebrating me reaching 1,000 subscribers. Only 6 people entered. The names are here. Let me see if it's, it's there. Hope you guys can see it anyway. Yep, it's cleared up. These are the 6 people. So 2 of these 6 people will be winning 5,000 Jamaican dollars today, or the equivalent of 5,000 Jamaican dollars depending on which country they live in. Anyway, I'm gonna ask my wife to assist me with the raffle draw because I want to do it as live as possible so you guys can see the procedure. So yeah, let me get her. This is my wife, Sebàs.
Pleased to meet y'all.
She, I've asked her to join me in doing this today. This is my #1 supporter in everything that I do. So without further ado, let's discuss how we're going to do this. I've got the names written here. So what I want you to do, we're just going to cut them out.
Yeah.
6 names and fold them up. And so grab the scissors. I couldn't find an actual thing to do a raffle in, so I came up with a jar. Yeah?
Pickle jar.
So 6 names, so we're gonna fold them as equal as possible, and then we're gonna shake it around as vigorous as possible, and then we're gonna do, you're gonna do a blind dip.
Right.
2 blind dips. So, alright, before you fold them, I want you to show the camera each one as we drop it in. So let me hold it for you. Yep, that's the first one.
Right.
These autofocus is a killer. Yeah, first one, yeah.
Okay, so folding it.
Yeah, fold it, yeah. Second one, pull back a bit and wait for the autofocus. Yeah, it's good. Bear with us, and these new cameras and autofocus, they are designed to focus on faces. Pull back. And yeah, ooh, barely, but yeah, it showed. 3 and 3 to go. And pull back.
Yeah.
I think so. Pull back. Okay. I want to do it as quick as possible, but at the same time, I want to display the fairness of it.
Of course.
And
yeah.
I think so. Yeah. And the last one. Yep. The last one was it's cleared up quick. So, I want to thank all 6 of you guys for participating. It was just in the name of gratitude and fun.
Yeah.
So I want to thank all 6 of you for participating.
Did you mention that we also give 100 francs away on our family channel?
Yeah, I did mention it. I didn't mention it here, but we have a family channel, Family Sebàs, which is also one of the sponsors for this. And On a monthly basis, we give away 100 Swiss francs
Yeah.
to a lucky winner. So if you guys want to join the fun, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe, like, share.
So this is drum roll, please. Okay, so I want you to look away when you dip and choose one. And the first winner is
Winston Wright.
Winston Wright. Congratulations, Winston.
Yeah.
Put it up here. Yeah, I think it was right there. Yeah. Congratulations, Winston.
Congratulations.
You are the first winner draw of 5,000 Jamaican. And the next one goes to, drum roll, Mike Jones.
So,
Yeah, Mike Jones.
that's
Yeah,
5,000 Jamaican dollars on its way to Winston Wright and Mike Jones.
So, congratulations, guys.
Congratulations,
And
yeah.
thank you once again for participating. And thanks to the 4 people who didn't get draw as well for participating.
Yeah.
You know, you guys, your contribution or your support made the channel, which discuss such stern and sometimes dim topics,
Yeah.
you know, participating in this made it fun.
Yeah.
So enjoy your Sunday, enjoy the rest of your
Happy
week,
Sunday.
you know, and keep supporting the channel. You never know what else I may come up with to add some light to the channel. So until next time, peace.